Oh, okay. Welcome guys, welcome to another Saturday meal. And we are going, I did the chicken and noodle soup I think, but this time it's the same but different. Instead of the noodles, we are going to use this right here, an elbow macaroni. Yeah, large elbow macaroni. So you can use any noodles you want to. Here I already washed my chicken up. Guys, don't come telling me I didn't wash my chicken, because I did. So I washed my chicken off. I took majority of the fat off, not a whole lot of it, because I want this broth to be flavorful. So let me turn it on. I hate this cooking noise. Turn it on to 7.
Are you sure you washed your meat? I mean, did you go ahead and just throw it out there and run it over with the car and then just put it in the pot?
Girl, I let Diamond lick it and roll on the floor. I sure did. I sure did.
Put it in the dirty,
and if you don't like this video,
laundry.
Share it with all your friends and tell them how much you hated it.
Good mom, you are such a copycatter.
I know.
That's cool.
Yeah. So I'm going to use my chicken rub. Guys, you better get your chicken rub because I am running low. So I'm going to use this. I don't measure.
Well, okay, I'm gonna shut up.
Go ahead. It's probably about...
I was forbidden to say anything.
Who?
Me.
Why?
About your specialty jar.
It's coming, guys. It's coming. Alright. I am going to use some garlic. Minced garlic. That. These many. Don't ask me how much.
These many.
That and these many. Okay. And then I'm going to use, you guys, you know, I like this. I'm going to use about this much. This is a soup spoon. Okay, and I'm going to stir it up. Here I have 1 whole onion, 1 whole onion, 2 of Miss Marnie Pan's garden jalapenos, and those celery stalks was pretty small, so I used like 6. And then this is her bell pepper. Okay, and I used 2 of those. So I'm just going to plop all this in here. It's almost like I'm making chicken and dumplings, but I'm not. A difference. And then I'm going to add some black pepper, which I forgot to put in there.
Sorry, y'all. It's time for Diamond's dinner.
Yeah, she got to eat. Alright. You're just going to let this cook. Excuse me, guys. I didn't sneeze over my food.
How dare you sneeze all in there?
I know.
Something's wrong with
some shade hater said that I sneezed on the food and I didn't even say excuse me. Excuse me! Excuse me! I turned away because of the black pepper. Alright? That's exactly what I did. And the one that said if you don't like this video, please share with all your friends.
Well,
and tell them how much I sneezed over my food.
I'm not telling you any more of my catchphrases.
I like your catchphrases. I like it.
That video ain't even out yet.
Well, it's coming. Alright, so you're just going to just do this. And you're going to let it cook until the meat becomes almost tender. Because then I'm going to take it out and do something else with it. Alright guys, I'll be back when this is done. So, I took the chicken out and you see it's not all the way done, okay? Almost all the way done. And I cooked it for like 45 minutes. So what I did was just take them out of here. And I'm leaving 1 in there to be for my Lion King. Now,
Mariam's in there being cray-cray.
This is a crazy video. Okay, so now I'm going to take my chicken rub.
The specialty jar.
The specialty jar. I'm just going to sprinkle some over here.
The multi-purpose seasoning. I'm trying to tell y'all, if y'all ain't got the chicken rub, what the heck are you doing?
I don't know.
Like, You can make barbecue chicken, apparently chicken and noodles. You can put it on pork chops. You can mix it in with your spaghetti. You can put it on top of zucchini.
She uses it for everything.
Yeah, I do. There you go.
She uses it for everything.
You can put it on catfish.
Okay, so
Tilapia.
you,
Shrimp.
you done bubble gum? Okay, I'm gonna put this in the oven. I'm gonna let it cook for another like maybe 20 more minutes, just the top to crisp up some. And then in here, let me go ahead and do this now. I'm putting my mushrooms in here. I think I'm only going to use one because Jay and Play takes the mushroom out.
Jamarian takes all the vegetables out of his meal.
Yeah. So what I did, I went back and added some more water. I did add like 2 tablespoons of better than bouillon because it did boil down some. So I'm going to let this, the mushroom tender, and then I will come back and I'm going to taste this broth now because I think I might have to add some more seasoning because you know guys, my spices is not salty. So you might have to add some salt to it. Yeah. So I'm going to add some seasoned salt. And it's probably about not quite a tablespoon. Alright. I'll be back with the finish. Well, no, I won't. Not with the finish. But I'll show you what I'll do next. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, if your chicken is greasy, then just take a strainer and try to pour it out. But what I did was took a paper towel and kind of dabbed some of the grease out of there. Alright, so that's done. So now I'm going to use my elbow macaroni. And I'll probably put half of the bag in here. Yeah, maybe a little more than that. Okay, and follow the instructions on the back of the bag. I have a tendency sometimes to overcook these. I really do. Alright. You're going to stir this up. See that one piece that I left in here? Like I said, I keep that one in here. Okay. Alright, when this is almost done, I'll come back and let you see it, and then I'm going to add my, what do you call this thing? Cream of chicken. Mushrooms in here, well, cream of chicken. Okay, I'm going to add that whole can in there, and it's about 22 ounces, 22.6 ounces. So it's the tall can. So I'm going to let that get done and I'll be back with the finish and the plated product. Oh, and I made some spicy cornbread too, you guys. I have to have cornbread with this. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So this is how it's looking right here. And that's the way you want it to look. So now what I'm going to do is put this whole can of cream of mushroom soup in here. If it comes out. And you just want to mix this up. And it'll get a little thick on you because of the cream of mushrooms. You just want to stir it up. That's all you do. If you feel that you need more noodles before you add this in here, then you add more. But these will swell up. Alright, I'm going to let this cook for another 5 minutes, and I'll definitely be back with the finished product. Okay guys, here's my finished plated product right here. You want to know why I boiled the chicken. Like I said, I wanted to get the broth from it in order for the noodles or the mac to soak up the chicken flavor. And here is my spicy cornbread, as people may call it Mexican cornbread, but we call it, bless you, spicy cornbread. She's sneezing because of the peppers. No, she's not sneezing on the food. And he's so crazy. So yeah, here it is, and we're going to do a mukbang out of this. So the mukbang will be uploaded
next week.
Next week? Okay, not this coming week, but the week following.
Oh.
Yeah, I think it's.
How many videos you got already? Next week. What's today?
Today is Saturday. So it's the Saturday after next week.
It'll be up.
Yeah, just watch the mukbang, guys. So I made it with my chicken rub right here. Okay. So guys, you haven't gave me a saying, my ending saying, so I kind of stopped the other saying. So tell me what you think I should say at the end of every video. Alright, I'm still waiting.
How many of you guys actually made it to the end of the video?
Yeah, how many?
That's the question.
Yeah. Do you guys watch the whole entire video, or you just skip, you know, skip a few? 3, 4, shut the door. Okay, so guys, make this, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell so you know that I'm coming.
Can I have that chicken skins?
Oh, you in the chicken skins? No. God.
It's so crispy, I'm like enticed.
I know, she is a fetish person about chicken skins, guys. Oh my God. So, yeah, hit the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up, okay? Watch me throughout the whole duration. If you want more videos like this, you need to watch and comment. Please, I'm asking you to comment. I don't get paid for comments. I don't really get paid for doing videos. If you notice, I don't have a lot of advertisement on my page. Those advertisements that you see is YouTube doing those too, because I don't like advertisements in my videos. I just don't. I think it takes away. So yeah, so yeah guys, let me know. So I am really starving, would you believe it? So we're gonna finna do this mukbang, and I hope you enjoyed our family mukbang, and I will see you guys next time.